So I'm going to place my hands right between your legs, okay?
Okay.
And go ahead and put your leg back together. Very good. Now just squeeze into my hands. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Tight, 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 tight. Perfect. How'd that feel?
Good.
That was a loud one too.
I told you the hips are like tight.
Nice. All the way out. Very nice. How'd that feel?
So fun.
Awesome. And I'm pulling full on here, so we're getting some nice and even legs there. Got some good movement. Nice and even sacroiliac joints there. So I'm going to adjust right in the mid back first, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in and all the way out. Very nice. How'd that feel?
Good.
Wow, that was a big release. Okay, one more time. All the way out. Awesome. And all the way out. Just relax it. Very good. And drop it.
Oh my gosh.
Head towards me. Just drop the head towards me. Head towards me.
Oh my gosh.
Drop it, drop it.
Oh my gosh.
Perfect. Wow. So go ahead and open for me and close. Go ahead and close. Right. So I'm going to come right in here, okay? And all the way down towards me. Just drop that shoulder, okay? Do me a favor and just drop the head. Now open the mouth slightly. Very nice. How'd that feel?
So good.
All the way down towards me. Just relax here for me. And just drop it when you drop it.
Oh,
wow. Jeez. How'd that feel?
bomb.
All the way towards me. Just relax here. Just relax it and drop it. Very nice. Awesome. All the way out. Just relax it. Very nice. Drop the head and just drop it. Wow. Very nice. How'd that feel?
Oh man.
Go ahead and just bring the arms across the body. Just sit up as best as you can and all the way down. Go ahead, deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh my god, that's my favorite one. Oh,
How'd that feel?
it feels so good.
Awesome. Just relax it. Perfect. And just relax it.
Okay.
Good. Let's turn in here and come just a little bit down, okay? So I'm just going to lay your head right into my hand and just put you up against my chest, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just relax. I'm going to take a nice deep breath in and all the way out. Just relax it. Very nice. How'd that feel?
That felt good.
That was super loud. So we're here with a patient who has a lot of pain right at this, what's called the CT junction, where the cervical spine meets the thoracic spine. So we're going to be doing an adjustment to that area to alleviate some tension, okay? All right, Kim, go ahead, nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Very nice.
Oh,
How'd that feel?
feels good.
Awesome. Perfect.
Mm-hmm.